and welcome to Sanchay CRM. I'm Sakshi Lukhande, and in this video, let's quickly see how you can send emails individually or in bulk without leaving your CRM. Sanchay CRM has an email feature, but the real question is, when should you send an email and what kind of email should go to which client? Let's understand that in the first part of the video. So, first things first, every email should have a purpose. It can be to build trust, share updates, or prompt action. There are two types of emails which you can send. First is client specific emails, and second is mask or bulk emails. Now, client specific emails are for SIP confirmations, portfolio snapshots, KYC reminders, birthday or anniversary wishes, query responses, etc. These are personal, so personalization matters here. Details like name, date, and amount can all be autofilled from your CRM. Next, mass or bulk emails are great for NFO announcements, budget updates, monthly newsletters, year-end reminders, educational content like, let's say, SIB benefits. These are useful only when the message is relevant to many clients. So, the bottom line is timing and audience both matter when sending an email. Part 2. Let's see how to send a mail from client or lead mode. Now open the profile of a client or lead you want to email. In the top panel, locate the email details section. Click on the compose mail icon beside it. This will redirect you to the email module. Now here you need to first configure your email, make sure it is done. For now, let's click OK. Now by default, the from field shows the admin set email ID. You can change it to your own email. Just make sure it's configured in your profile settings. To update it, go to the user profile and then edit. Now fill the two sections CC and BCC, also subject as required. Here you can set the email signature from this icon. Now you can either type your message manually or simply select a pre-made email template from the right hand tab. In this case, I want to send a lead assignment confirmation, so I'll just select the relevant template. Once selected, the subject, body and footer will be auto-filled instantly. You can edit and format the email from here. Now you can use the checkboxes below for the final settings like BCC me if you want to receive a copy of this email, reply to if you want to set the email reply address, attachments if you want to add files manually using the clip icon, or let the template handle it if it includes any preset files like this. Then in the top right corner, choose your action. You want to send this, save this email as a draft, delete this, or schedule this email. Once you're ready, click send and that's it. Your email is sent. Now once sent, this email will also be logged in the history subpanel under the lead record. Now this process is exactly the same for the client module. Part 3. Sending bulk email. Now let's say you have an exclusive fund update for your super HNI families. Here's how to email them in bulk, quickly and professionally. Go to the family module to see all client families. Apply filters to view only super HNI families. Then select the relevant families from the list view. Click the mass email icon at the top. And here in the email window, type your message or simply select a ready to use template like I'm doing here. Add any files using the attachment icon. Then hit send. That's it. Your message reaches all selected super HNIs in one go. Part 4. Sending emails for birthdays/anniversaries. Now on your dashboard, tap the cake icon to see all upcoming birthdays and anniversaries. Click to view the list and choose how you want to send your wishes, via WhatsApp, email, or both. To send an email, hit the email icon. Now this will take you to the emails module with client's detail pre-filled. You can type your message or you can use a pre-made birthday/anniversary template for a quick and polished greeting. Hit save and send and your client gets a warm, timely message, professional, personal and just a click away. And that's how easy it is to send emails with Sanchay CRM, be it one-on-one, bulk to super HNIs or a simple birthday wish. Need help setting up templates or planning your campaigns? Our team is just a message away. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.